everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick tip on how you can use Google Drive. All right, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. We will get started. All right, the first thing to note is you must be logged into your Google account. This can be through Gmail, or when you just go to google.com, you can sign in up here at the top right. Once you're in Google, you'll see that you're logged in. All right. If you're with Keller Williams, it's really easy to get to this by logging into your Gmail first, and then you can see your profile at the top right as well. Once you're here, you will go to the apps right here next to your picture or your initials, and then you're going to go to Drive. So what Drive is a cloud-based system that will store documents, pictures, etc. This is wonderful because no matter where you're at, whether you're in another country, another state, you can still access these files as long as you're signed into Google. So it's wonderful. Not only can you view documents that people send to you and share with you through Google Drive, but you can also create documents yourself and store them on here as well. How you create documents in here is you just go up to the new plus sign at the top left, and you can upload a folder. Like, let's say you want to create a folder for any pictures that you do in 2020. You can create that. And now you'll see that there is a folder in here for pictures. And anytime I upload pictures, I can just drop them in there. Also, when you go to new, you can upload a file. So let's say you have a contract and you want to add it in there. You can go to your documents, find that contract and just add it in there, and then it will upload it in here, just like this IABS is in here. Okay. If somebody has shared a document with you, you'll see this shared with me button down here. You can search up here in this little search bar by keywords. So, let's say there's a certain thing you're looking for, you can type the keyword here. Consumer, and it'll pull up that document that I have saved in there. Okay. And then what's really great, when you go to new, you can also add a Google Doc, which is just like Microsoft Word, just formatted a little differently, but it still has a lot of the same features, as well as Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, and more. There's all sorts of stuff in here. So if you don't have Excel on your computer, but you need to create a spreadsheet, you can just go in here to Google Drive, create new, go to Google Sheets, and it'll open up a spreadsheet for you. You can name it up here, do all of your, just like Excel, all of your cells in here. You can format everything just like you do in Microsoft Excel. You can add multiple tabs down here. And then when you're finished, you don't even have to click a save button because it's already saving live as you type everything in Google Drive. And let's say you want to share this with somebody, you can go up to this green share button, and well, you have to name it first. Once you've done that, you can share it with people right here. So let's just say you wanted to add their email in here. You can do that. And now it's going to share with this person. You can even type a message, and over here, you can control if they're going to be able to edit this document or comment on the document or just view it. Okay. And then you would send it, and that person would receive an email from you saying that you have shared that document with them. All right. And then also you can change the privacy settings, which this is great when you're doing your IABS. When you upload your IABS as a document in here into Google Drive, you always change the get link section here for the privacy from restricted to anyone with link can view. Okay, so there's lots of things in here that you can do with Google Drive, and it is very helpful. So definitely make sure that you take advantage of it. And if you need any help at all, let me know. When you're with Keller Williams, you do get a certain amount free of storage, and I've never ran out, and I've been with KW 6 years. So you've got lots of storage in there to use, okay? All right, let me know if y'all need anything. Have a great day.